and indeed the entire continent to chart.
Her Excellency, this is Jessica Ebel Alupo.
Regionally, several obstacles separate COMESA from its vision of prosperity through integration and industrialization. We have a few sectors where value addition is entrenched, and we need to expand the areas where we add value to our primary products. Additionally, weak regulatory frameworks, rampant non-tariff barriers, and weak technological capacity contribute to our underperformance in value addition and therefore in trade. In so doing, we will enhance the competitiveness of our products and enable them to penetrate regional and international markets. And COMESA should be able to provide the building blocks for us to ultimately build the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. We are remaining with a few signatures. I think only 3 countries need to sign in so that we can consolidate this market into the TFTA that will give us 720 million people with a GDP of 1.3 trillion, and we can create a huge market that can be competitive with other markets globally.